Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Storybook for isolated UI component testing, complete guide step by step clearly. To install Storybook for isolated UI component testing, start by ensuring you have Node.js installed on your machine. Open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to your project directory using the cd command. Run the command to install Storybook by typing npxsb in it. This command automatically detects your framework and sets up the necessary configuration. Once the installation is complete, you will see a confirmation message in the terminal. Next, open the package.json file to check the newly added scripts. You should see a script labeled Storybook. To start Storybook, enter the command npm run Storybook in your terminal. This will launch the Storybook development server. After a moment, your default web browser should automatically open, displaying the Storybook interface. At this point, you can start creating your UI components. In your project, locate the src directory. Create a new folder named Components where you will store your UI components. Inside the Components folder, create a new file for your first component, such as button.js. Define your button component in this file. To make it visible in Storybook, create a corresponding button.stories.js file in the same folder. In the button.stories.js file, import your button component. Use the default export to specify the title and component info. Add a named export for your component stories. Define one or more story functions that return the button with various props. Save both files to see the updates in the Storybook interface. You should now see your button component listed in the sidebar. Interact with the component and test its different states. If you need to add more components, simply repeat the same steps. Remember to constantly save your files to see real-time changes. To add styles, integrate your preferred CSS methodology, such as CSS modules or style components. You can also configure Storybook add-ons for enhanced functionality. To install an add-on, run npm install followed by the add-on package name. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.